Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. I want to thank you all for taking time, stopping by and checking out my videos. If you find yourself coming back often, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I appreciate all the help I can get, and I hope you enjoy it. Today I'm going to do a Revell 1969 2-in-1 Super B build, and this is a 124 scale kit, skill level 2. And it is kit number 852363. This kit came out in 2001, so it's already 23, almost 24 years old itself. Yeah, it sure flies by fast, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything out of the box and lay it out on the table here, and I'll be right back. Well, there's not really much left to this kit. I mean, this is everything. The only thing in the box, here's the instructions. The only thing in the box is the decals in one of them. And that's it. So this should be a fairly quick one. Quality of plastic looks nice, but there's not a whole lot of detail here. So I'll go ahead and get on the build and pop back in if there's any issues. If not, I'll see you at the end. Be right back. Well, there's everything cut off of the sprue trees. White parts alone, there's 39 pieces. Now there are a couple of extra pieces here that are different options. So we got the hood and an intake manifold, a different type of fan belt and pulley there, and a couple of riser blocks for the rear end. I'm not sure if I'm going to use those or not. But 39 pieces. There's 30 pieces of chrome, so whatever the math is there, 69 pieces, right? That's it. And the windshield glass, wherever that is, right in there, I think it is. So not much to this kit at all. So like I said, this one should go fairly quickly. Hopefully paint lays down easy and comes along. Alrighty then. Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. This is the conclusion of the 1969 Dodge Super B by Revell. Came out pretty nice. Didn't have a lot of issues. The decals are still drying, so they're a little wrinkly in the back there still. Overall, it was a nice build. Came out pretty nice, actually. I had no real complaints about it. The hardest part was trying to make a decision on what color to paint it. I'll give you a shot of under the hood here. Got the big old 440 there. And then underneath, a little bit of detail there. And once again, I forgot to put on the side view mirror, so we'll do that in post-production. That's too funny. I get so excited when I get near the end of these to share them with everybody. I forget about the little things. That's alright though. That's another one for the books. I appreciate your time. And as always, Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.